Hey guys, today's little video is on these cool channel lock snap ring pliers I just got. Yeah, they're pretty awesome.
Tools are cool. Tools are cool. Tools are cool. Dale's tool of the day.
So I've had a lot of snap ring pliers over the years. Like these here Blue Point by Snap-on, which is a pretty good brand. Snap ring pliers always come in two flavors. You squeeze in and it pulls the snap ring together so you can get it from the inside of something.
There he goes. Uh-oh, we almost got it. Boom.
And make it shrink and pull it out. Or, in the case of these, you can unscrew this little screw, move the legs over to the other side of the little fulcrum there. Then when you squeeze them, it pulls apart. So if your snap ring's on the outside of something, it makes it bigger and you can take it off of it. Because snap rings are either on the inside or the outside, and you need it to expand or contract depending on the situation. Well, these little guys just got a little lever here. That's pretty cool. And then you can squeeze it and you can hear it click. Something toggles over in there. Now when I squeeze it together, they're going apart. Then when you squeeze it again, little click in there. And then when you squeeze, they're going together. So this does the job of both without having to unscrew anything or mess around or try and remember how it works. You just flip a little lever. That's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. Bought this at my local parts store at Napa for $39.99. But I've got a link in the description below to Amazon if you guys are interested. They've got them. And they come with all these little tips to make it so that, sometimes you need your snap ring pliers to be at a 90. Well, it's got the little tips for that. And sometimes you need a small little tip on there or a big one depending on the size of the snap ring you need. And they've got a variety in there. That's pretty cool. Like I say, I've got this whole box here of old snap ring pliers that I've had forever. I think I bought them at a garage sale a long time ago. And, they've served me well. But it's kind of cool that this one little tool will do the work of most of these. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Anyhow, if you're in the market for a good snap ring plier, that one's pretty cool. So I ended up buying these because a farmer brought me this little project here. And it's a part to a mower, like a lawnmower, a heavy duty industrial type lawnmower. But this ear was totally gone when they brought it here. And I had to weld it, build it up, machine it down, and make it work. Well, I ended up at the hardware store looking for U-joints to do this project. And I needed a set of snap ring pliers to take it apart and get some measurements. And I came across these. They're pretty cool. Well, this has been the video on these little snap ring pliers by Channel Lock. They're pretty cool. Remember, me and Jesus love you. Talk to you later.